Hi, so welcome to this video on how to hardtail a Strat. And we start off by loosening the strings. And then we turn it over. And I've already removed the plate from the back. And to hardtail the guitar, we need to put a wooden block in this cavity. Okay, so what happens is that we basically lock down the tremolo system. So the way that we do that is we cut a piece of wood that will fit in there, and then we slacken off these springs here. So we've cut our block and we sit it in there like that, and now what we're going to do is we're going to loosen these screws here. Give each one a few turns at a time. There we are. Now this is fairly loose, as you can see. Everything's moved back into the block. When we tune it up, it'll pull it back into the block even further and level everything out. So I've just put the block back in. I've put a little bit of gaffer tape over it to stop it from splitting. This is all nice and loose, and I've now retuned and we're ready to put the back plate on, and the job's done.